Dishwashers do an excellent job of cleaning dishes. They also save energy and time that would have been used to wash dishes manually. As a result, they are one of the best-priced kitchen appliances in the world today. Notwithstanding, you have to know how to load your dishwasher so that it can function maximally. That way you will not only assist it in doing its job right, but you'll also prolong its lifespan. Although different dishwasher model comes with different designs and features, a dishwasher primarily has two compartments. These are the upper or top rack and the lower or bottom rack compartments. These racks are specially meant for specific kitchen utensils, dish or cookware. Here is a guide to loading dishwashers. 1. The upper rack compartment. The following are items that are suitable for the top rack. Cups, big kitchen utensils, small plates, plastic lids, small bowls, plastic containers, mugs, drinking glasses, and other stemware. Put cups, water bottles, and mugs upside down by the side of the top rack. Place small plates and bowls in between tines in a manner that they face down towards the middle of the appliance where they will be sprayed directly. Put dishwasher-safe plastic lids, small bowls, small plates, and containers in the top rack with their face down. If your dishwasher model comes with flexible stemware holders shelf that you can fold down, keep stemware like drinking glasses, wine glasses, goblets, and so on here. This is to prevent them from breakage or crack during wash cycles. But if yours didn't come with this feature, place them upside down by the side of the upper or top rack. Other kitchen utensils like long spoons and spatulas can be kept flat on the upper or top rack. Take note of the following. 1. Long kitchen utensils must be kept flat on top racks to prevent them from falling from the rack and blocking the spraying arms in the process. 2. Keep all plastic items, except smaller sizes that can slide through the gaps on the rack, in the top rack. Here, they will be far away from the heating element below the dishwasher. 3. Care must be taken to firmly place them in the top rack, so they don't fall directly on the heating elements or block any washing arm. The lower rack compartment. Here are items that are suitable for the bottom rack. Baking dishes, stainless steel pans, pots, serving bowls or platters, big bowls, silverware, lunch, and dinner plates. Put big bowls in between tines or by the front, side, or back of the bottom rack. Keep lunch and dinner plates or dishes in the middle of tines on the bottom rack, making sure that their dirty sides face the washer jet. Place big cookware like pans, baking dishes, and pots at the back or by the side of bottom racks, all facing down towards the washer jet. Place silverware like spoons and forks in the silverware basket with their handle facing downwards so that they can be properly cleaned. Knives can be kept in the silverware basket too, but with their handles up and their sharp end pointing down. This is to protect your hands and fingers during unloading. Place cutting boards, platters, flat pans, and other oversized utensils at the back or side of bottom racks. They should not be close to the door of dishwashers so that they don't block water sprays and prevent other utensils from getting clean. Do not nest your silverware together so they can be cleaned properly. Put dishware with baked-on food remains upside down towards the lower spray arm. Here are common mistakes to avoid when loading a dishwasher. Most people make these mistakes because of ignorance or failure to adhere to instructions on the product manual. These mistakes include: 1. Loading dishes on the wrong compartment. Ideally, dishes are meant to be on the bottom rack while the top rack is specifically designed to clean cups, mugs, and other stemware. Dishwasher tines are made in such a way that they can properly hold dishes or plates and receive hot water in the right proportion for effective cleaning. Placing utensils in the wrong compartment and crowding them in the process prevent other items from getting properly cleaned. 2. Rinsing dishes before loading. Rinsing dishes fully prior to loading is not advisable. It is okay to remove food remains, but don't give it a full rinse. This is to prevent your machine from smelling or your dishes from drying out. Simply scrape off food remains from dishes when you are running a wash cycle immediately. You can rinse dishes in the sink or use dishwasher rinse-only mode if you are busy or your machine is not full. 3. Dishwasher detergents. Most powder or liquid detergents can clean dishes. However, not all of them can do this very well. Hence the need to use good detergents like tablets or pods, gel packs. They don't leave water stains, discoloration, or films on your dishes. Make sure they are fresh and store them under the right temperature and condition. Add pods packs to dispenser where they are fully utilized. As a precaution, keep them away from children who might not be able to differentiate them from candies because of their bright colors. 4. Water. Dishwashers function maximally when the hot water temperature is very high at about 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, it can dissolve tough stains and grime. So, if your water is not hot enough, your utensils might not be cleaned properly. Also, the type of water used to wash dishes is important, soft or hard water. Filling detergent dispenser in the machine to the requisite level depending on the hardness of the water is advised for best results. 5. Facing dishware and other kitchenware in the same direction. It is important to correctly position dishware in the respective sections marked for them inside the machine for optimal cleaning. Those in front should face backward, while items at the back should face the front. This is to make sure all dishware faces the spray arm at the center and gets an equal amount of water. 6. Separating silverware. Most people place silverware like spoons, knives, and forks in separate sections of the machine. This is not good as they won't be effectively cleaned. Mix your silverware to prevent nesting. Do not place silver utensils and stainless steel utensils together because they could spark a chemical reaction that will leave the silverware dinted. 7. Overloading your dishwasher. In as much as washing dishes in the dishwasher is fast and it saves energy, you should not overload the machine. If you do, there is a probability that your kitchenware won't get properly washed. Others might not be cleaned at all. A good thing to do is to wash in batches or you wash some manually. 8. Using the same setting for every wash. Don't use the same settings for every wash cycle. Most people use only the normal setting for all their dishwashing cycles. This is not ideal. You can use different settings for different wash cycles, provided it is the perfect one for each type of wash. These instructions are stated in the product manual. You will be amazed at the things you did not know about your dishwasher. 9. Loading kitchenware that is not dishwasher safe. Not all kitchenware is dishwasher safe. This means that putting them in the dishwasher might compromise the quality of the items. Some kitchenware that is not dishwasher safe includes sharp knives, wooden spoons, some plastic containers, some chinaware, and so on. Plastic containers could be melted by hot water, wooden spoons can be broken or cracked, chinaware or gold flatware can be discolored. The coating on non-stick pots and pans can also melt and peel off in the process. Refer to your product manual for a specific guide on dishwasher-safe items. And always check all kitchenware to know if they are safe for your machine. This cannot be overemphasized. Did you find this video helpful? Kindly subscribe to this channel below and turn on your notifications so you will be the first to see our updates. Also, check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimdishwashers.com for more dishwasher content like this. Thank you for your time.